Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss what does it mean by electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, let's move forward and how the electrical and electronics engineering was evolved and what is the significance of electrical and electronics engineering in entire engineering disciplines. So first I like to discuss the structure of electrical engineering, actually from where it has been evolved, that means from where we need to study actually. So first we are electrical energy, the one of the best energies in the nature, where I mean from the nature it is we are unable to get this energy. Okay, from the nature we can get potential energy, maybe while water is falling from certain head, we may get the potential energy. And from the same principle only we are getting kinetic energy also, because it is fallen from certain height. Because of the gravitational force, it is coming with some force, so we can get some kinetic energy also. So in this way, potential energy and kinetic energy can be obtained by nature, but electrical energy cannot be obtained by nature. It has to be converted from the another energy only. And similarly, we cannot use electrical energy straight away. That means we cannot use the electrical energy as the simple energy and the final use. We need to convert that electrical energy into some other energy. For example, we are in our daily life, we are simply using electrical energy for lighting purpose. That means we have converted electrical energy into light energy. Or we are using electrical energy for rotating purpose, maybe for fan. Okay, simple electric fan. So rotating purpose means we are converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. Similarly, we can convert electrical energy into some other energies only. So finally the conclusion is electrical energy cannot be obtained directly in the nature, and we cannot use this energy directly in the nature. Then what is the advantage of electrical energy? So in this manner, definitely we need to use two converters right from the beginning. I mean, at the start we need to use one converter, and at the end also we need to use one more converter. So then still electrical energy is very much popular compared to all other energies. And why? Because electrical energy is the cheapest source which can travel from one place to another place compared to other energies. And it is very easy to transfer the energy from one place to another place, and it is very easy to control the energy also. Okay, that's why we are using electrical energy in a very easier manner. Even a very small household I mean household persons can also use the electrical energy simply by paying some minimum charges to the government. Okay, so these are the different types of advantages, and some other very big advantages are also there. First, let us discuss the structure of electrical energy and how this electrical energy will be. So as we discussed, from natural energy, okay, so many energies are there. Maybe from solar energy is there, that is also natural energy. We can call it as radiant energy. Okay, from that energy also we can convert to electrical energy. And some water is coming from some head, maybe water is coming from some height, and with that water we are getting potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay, so this energy is marking for that energy. Okay, either radiant energy from solar, or maybe wind energy, maybe potential and kinetic energy of the falling water. Okay, and maybe thermal energy also. So any energy which is from nature. And this, and our final output should also be the energy, and that is something other than electrical energy only. For example, we are using light and we are using fan, means we are converting electrical energy into some other energy, maybe light energy or mechanical energy. In between these two we have electrical energy, like this. So now what is this electrical energy? So in my view, energy means energy means it is the power. If you see it in a certain time period, okay, if you take the power in certain time period, then it will be taken as the energy. So let's see now, Now we understood that electrical energy means it is somehow analogous to electrical power. Okay, if you take the time as constraint, and if you take time as aside, so electrical energy means electrical power. So how to deal with this electrical power? Electrical power means, first, generally people are doing, first we have to generate the energy, and then we have to transmit the energy, because generating stations are very far from our load centers. So we have to transmit the energy, and after transmission we have to distribute the energy, and after distribution we have the utilization part. So in this way, the electrical energy or the electrical power can be converted, can be categorized into four types. One is generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization. So these are the four parts we can handle under electrical power. Okay, or you can simply call it as electrical energy also. If you take time as consideration, you can call it as electrical energy. Okay, so generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization. Yes, as we already discussed, from falling water from certain head, okay, certain height, we are getting electrical energy. So if we have done so, we should definitely have one converter, okay, to convert some energy other than electrical energy to our electrical energy, and that part is called generation part, and this will be done by using generators. Okay, generators, generally we are using synchronous generators there, those are called alternators. Okay, so we should definitely have one converter, and that is called a generator, which can convert some energy into electrical energy at generation part. And similarly, we already discussed that we cannot use electrical energy straight away at the end use. Okay, there also we need to use one more converter, and that converter can also be called as motor. Okay, and this converter can also be called as motor, and it will convert electrical energy into some other form of energy, maybe definitely the mechanical energy. Okay, generally the mechanical energy. Some other converters are also there, and those are not called as motor. Okay, some other equipments are there, and they will convert into other energies. Okay, so in this way, this what we can call the normal structure of electrical energy is defined. Okay, but now what we already discussed that in the advantages of electrical energy, it is easy to transfer and it is easy to control also. So whenever control aspect comes, where can we control the electrical energy? Everywhere can be controlled. You can control electrical energy everywhere. Okay, so I can control the electrical energy. Yes, so while transferring, okay, while transferring electrical energy, I should definitely have, as we already discussed, it is easy to transfer also. So to make it easy to transfer and cheaper to transfer, I should definitely use one converter called transformers. Okay, one converter called transformers, and this transformer converts simple electrical energy into electrical energy only. But again, here we need to go deeper into the things. Okay, so go deeper into the things. What exactly happens means, the electrical energy or electrical power can be can be described into two ways. One is voltage and power. So in the denomination of voltage and power, this can be, sorry, voltage and current, the electrical power can be described. So actually, while transferring, our current should be very very less, so that some losses called iron losses, I square r losses, should be less. So to do that, we are using transformers. Understood? To do that, we are using transformers. So from generating station, we are using step up transformer, so that the voltage will be high and current will be less. And at the end, maybe in transmission, accordingly they can use in the transmission and distribution. But at the end, after distribution, the transformer should be the voltage should come down, so we are using step down transformers there. Understood? So while discussing electrical machines, we will discuss all those things. Now I can conclude one point. The converter which converts energy, other forms of energy into electrical energy is called a generator, and a converter which converts electrical energy into other form of energy is called a motor, and a converter which converts electrical energy into electrical energy to change the voltage or current is called a transformer. So all these converters are called electrical machines. Electrical machines. So once this part is over, so now we have discussed the ease of transfer. Okay, it is very easy to transfer. Now we are going to discuss the control. So we already discussed it is easy to control. So let us see how it will be. Yeah, the control action can be done everywhere in the system. Anywhere you can control the system. Okay, so what we can call to control the system, first we should have proper measurements. Yes, we should have proper measurements, and then we should have strong control system base. Strong control system base. So after control system, in that control system, what are there? In that control system, we need to use electronic components. We need to use electronic components. So that's why electronics come into picture in electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, so this is called controlling action can be done by using electronics. If we can take a small component, okay, we can take a small component as the feedback, and we can do some control action, and we can give it to the system again, and this part is very small. If this part is very small, that means carrying voltage may be small, frequency can be very high, no issues. If that is the case, then we can use electronics. For example, this control action has to be done in the power level. That means we are taking the power directly and we are controlling the power directly. Then we need to go ahead with the power electronics. Simple. The electronics means we are dealing with the less voltages with higher frequencies. Power electronics means we are using high power, high voltages and high currents also with power frequency, that is 50 Hz. In India, the power frequency is 50 Hz. Okay, so this is the total structure of electrical energy. So based on this, whatever you study in electrical energy is always confined to this only. Okay, of course, nowadays this is a general conventional type of explanation for power systems, and so in this way we can deal with the power systems. So power systems means generation, transmission, distribution and utilization, and control systems. So whatever we are controlling in a structured manner, so that is called come under control systems. And for controlling control systems, for the supporting of control systems, we should definitely have electronics and power electronics. Definitely these will be the courses we are going to study in the electrical energy. Of course, I will add one more video which courses we are going to study in electrical energy also. Okay, so this is the basic structure of electrical energy, and nowadays some other types of things are also coming into picture. Okay, they may be in generation part, maybe in utilization part. Understood? Generation part, if you see in generation part, currently solar energy is coming into picture and wind energy is coming into picture. So whatever it may be, they come under generation part only. Okay, and nowadays electric vehicles are booming like anything. So electric vehicle means that is the end use only, that is utilization part only. So whatever the thing you are going to do in the electrical energy, that should come under this picture only. Okay, so this picture is very simple picture and very important picture. So try to understand this is only the electrical energy, not more than this. Okay, and thank you so much for your careful listening. And please, if you like this video, please like this video and please share this video with your friends and family, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I thought of continuing this journey towards power electronics. So before discussing power electronics, I thought of discussing electrical and electronics engineering. then it will be apt for me to kick start the journey of power electronics. Thank you so much.